Hello everyone, Nicholas Brella here, District Manager at Team Industrial Services. I'm excited to introduce someone to our new growing Gulf Coast sales team, Cameron.White, our new district sales representative based in Mobile, Alabama. Cameron brings over a decade of experience in logistics, operations, and quality control, most recently leading shipping operations at SSAB. He's been in the field, on the floor, in the middle of critical industrial operations. He knows what it takes to support customers and under pressure and keeps things moving. What really stood out to me with Cameron is his leadership, work ethic, and his drive to serve. He's a former collegiate athlete, a hands-on leader, and someone who truly values building strong relationships. This makes him a great fit for team. If you're in Mobile or greater South Alabama area and we haven't had the chance to support you yet, Cameron's ready to change that. He's already hitting the ground running, meeting with customers and looking at ways his team can help solve problems and add value. Feel free to reach out to him directly or shoot me a message and I'll connect you. Happy to have you on board, Cameron. So why don't you let them know what's the best way to get a hold of you?
Okay, yeah, I'm actually active on LinkedIn, and you can reach me by email at Cameron.White@teaminc.com.
Happy to have you, man.
Thank you.